I'm gonna show you how to access the engine in the back of your Porsche Cayman 987, and we're gonna start right now. You probably know that this is what they call a mid-engine car, meaning that the engine is right here in the middle of your car. So the first thing you have to do is pop the back of it. We're gonna lift this up and your engine is right under here. So this is a big sound deadening pad that is covering up a metal access panel. So this thing is just pressure fit. There are a couple little tabs. The easiest way is usually to get some sort of just a pry tool and get one edge of this started up. So you can see right here, this little section is one of the tabs that's tucked under here. Once you get it pried up enough to get a finger under it, just pull it up and that will pop out. And then you can just work your way around, lift up, and all of the parts will pop out. So at this point, just lift one side up and carefully take it out. And that just leaves us with access to the metallic engine cover. And there are a couple Torx screws. There are 5 of them, one in each corner and then one in the middle. These things are T30s, so just go ahead and unscrew all 5 of them. Very easy to remove. This is what they look like. And then just like the top one, once these are all removed, this is pretty light and easy to take out. And here you have it. There is your engine. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Hope you're already subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.